window, raindrops on the window, I'm dreaming, but it doesn't make sense at all.
Good morning, guys. Welcome to today's vlog. We're gonna do another moving video today. Welcome back to my channel. And in case you're new here, hi, my name is Maddie. I make a lot of college content, productive vlogs, and right now I am making a lot of moving content because I just moved into this apartment yesterday. So yeah, I have all the moving content for you guys. We have another full day of like moving kind of stuff. We are gonna go to Target, we're gonna go to Best Buy, I need to buy a TV, all that fun stuff. So we're gonna do that today. I also need to unpack. I like barely have anything unpacked right now. I just like couldn't get myself to do it yesterday. But yeah, it is 9:30 right now. I just got ready. Here's the moving outfit for today. It says it's like 60 something outside right now, so we're just gonna go with this. And a lot of my clothes still aren't unpacked, so we're going with the same sort of vibe with the tank top today, but it's supposed to get to like 85, 90 later, so I might end up changing, who knows. So yeah, Doug and I stayed here last night. It was kind of weird just like being in my new apartment. It definitely feels a lot homier and a lot more like my own space and like my own apartment, because the first day when I moved in, I was like, this does not feel like my apartment at all. And it's still really echoey just because there's like barely any furniture or like decorations in here. But today we're gonna be super productive, of course, and go shopping, get all of the stuff that I need for my apartment. I did forget a couple things at Target, so we're gonna go back. So I'll do like another haul for you guys and everything like that. But yeah, that's the plan for today. So yeah, we're gonna leave in a couple minutes to go and meet my family for breakfast. Like I said, the apartment is still kind of a disaster. It doesn't look too bad out here, but the bathroom and my closet and kind of my room are just like totally a mess. Okay, so we're done with breakfast. It was pretty good. The potatoes were weird. Doug's thing was weird. He got like sweet eggs benedict thing. It was weird.
Pecans were good.
Yeah, but we're going to go shopping now, and we're gonna find all the stuff that I need. We're gonna go to Target first. Hopefully they have a TV stand or something there, but today's a day of shopping and organizing and unpacking. Yay! Okay, now we're back with the floor mats. I'm gonna try to find one that I actually want. Okay, I think this one might be the winner. We're not gonna go with a cheesy quote this time. Okay, so I like this one. It's technically a coffee table, but I think it could work for a TV stand, so I'm between this one right now and this one. But I like the color of the other one more. I don't know why the camera looks so pink right now. I think I fixed it actually. I don't know how it got messed up. But we're looking at vacuums. They don't have a lot of like cheaper options. They're all like $150. They have a lot with like pet hair options, but I don't have a pet, so we're looking at that one right now. It's $70. They're looking at light bulbs right now. Okay, we're low-key struggling. It's kind of my fault because I didn't want to drive separately. Oh no. Okay, it doesn't fit.
Why couldn't you just drive? This is your stuff, Madilyn.
So thankfully the TV stand ended up fitting. Yeah, Mom came up with the idea to put it diagonally. And it worked.
These two losers doubted it.
We didn't find a TV. We're gonna go to Sam's Club, try to see if they have a TV there. I think we're going for a 43-inch TV. Okay, I kind of wanted to get a 43-inch, but they don't have a lot of options, so I think we're gonna go with the 50-inch and hope that it's not too big. Okay, we got the TV. We're doing great.
Perfect, that's fine.
It fits perfect. And I also got a watermelon. Okay, Target haul time. We didn't get that much. We got some light bulbs, washcloths, a couple loofahs, command sticky things, Lucky Charms, some sticky things for under the rug so it doesn't slip.
I forgot.
I also got this Swiffer Wet Jet cleaning stuff, sunscreen because I was out. And then I think I showed this at Target, but here's the rug that or not the rug, the floor mat that I got. So, all right, here's the TV stand that we ended up getting. And then you guys also saw the TV. I forgot to show you, I also got this vacuum. We ended up finding a different one that was like a compact vacuum, so that's nice. And I think that's everything that we got from Target.
Hi.
Fantasy and that voodoo palace for you and me, but I see over that I'm getting older, and some weeks are colder, but the days they get shorter and more try to thought of, but I'm left okay, 'cause she's my island.
Okay, they're working on building the TV stand. I actually really like the color of it. I was kind of iffy, thought it might be too light, but I do actually really like it. I'm overwhelmed. This is too much. This is just too much. No, I'm just
overwhelming when everyone else is doing the work.
I'm just overwhelmed. There's too much stuff here. There's too much going on. There's too much to do. Okay, I was told that I should open the vacuum, but I want to try this new flavor of Celsius first. It's peach mango green tea. I have tried, here I'll set you guys up. I've tried the raspberry acai green tea and I really liked that one. And I finally was able to find some Celsius. Oh my God, yeah, that's really good. 10 out of 10, love it.
She's my sin, wasting, killing patience. I love to count the days, but they just went by.
Okay, he just changed out the light bulbs. Let's test it out. Let's see the difference. Oh yeah, that's so much better. Oh, that's so much better.
Said I'd love to count the days, but they pass on by.
Okay, we're gonna test it out again. See the big difference. Wow. And we also have the ones in the bathroom. Oh, wrong one. Oh my gosh. That looks so much better. Yeah, the white ones look so much better.
Said I'd love to count the days, but they're gone with time. Yeah, look, boo, I know it kills. You're under influence.
Okay, Emily and Chris brought crumbl. Oh my gosh. Okay, I wanted to try these flavors so bad, especially the banana cream pie. Let's open it up. Whoa. Oh my God. We're gonna have a little crumbl taste test for sure. Here's the TV setup. It actually looks really good. I think the 50-inch was the way to go for sure instead of the 43. Like I said, I was getting a little overwhelmed, but it's okay. Now that there's crumbl here, that it fixes everything. We're gonna do a little crumbl taste test. We're gonna try all the cookies.
I like this one.
Go. I'll go again.
But I really want to try.
One.
No, this is like. Oh, okay. Oh no.
Wow.
That was really good.
Melted
Yeah.
marshmallow.
I know how to kill somebody now. Buy them a dozen of these things and make them eat it. That's fair.
Oh my god. What did you do? That was really good.
There's a crumb in the corner. I think it's off of these. I think these are better than all of them.
Okay, my favorite was the banana cream pie.
Hurry up before I die and pass out.
All right, just say my favorite is.
My favorite is banana cream pie, and I'm still alive to say that.
My favorite is the peanut butter.
My favorite is the red velvet.
My favorite's the banana cream.
One more time. And by the way, I just wasted my whole month's worth of workouts.
You're welcome.
My favorite is banana cream pie. There's one more. There's one more cookie.
Oh.
The vanilla wafer. Oh man, I'm sorry, I'm going back. I'm changing my vote. Vanilla wafers.
Ooh, satisfying. So satisfying. Wow. Okay, so the TV is set up, TV stand is put together. The trash has been taken out. Other than that, I think it's really only just unpacking the rest of my stuff, which I really don't want to do because it's just too much stuff. But I think I might get started on that. Start doing all the things, organizing, all of that. Also, the biker shorts are back. Jeans got way too hot. It was like kind of cold earlier, but now it's like 85 again, so.
You talk, you try, but you lost, so you cry. But do not worry, it'll all be behind. 'Cause she's my Irish, she's my Thomas, she's my city.
We gotta push talk.
Hello? Hello?
No, you just undid it.
Oh. Oh.
No, you can't. Now they have to. Oops.
They fixed it.
Lightning-stricken cactus and it starts to rain. The smell of steamed asphalt scented Novocaine. Nature's brew of all kinds of things. The mountain-sunk hills, sky-color schemes. Makes you forget about all types of things. You remind me of the Arizona thunder. Satisfy the times and make you wonder about the bigger picture in your life.
This is insanely clean. I can see my I can see my reflection on it. Hi. Thank you for cleaning that. I appreciate it.
You're welcome.
If you guys need a cleaner, this is the stuff. This is it.
Yeah, totally it.
Okay, so everyone just left and I'm gonna keep organizing, try to get as much stuff put away as possible, or like attempt to put stuff away. There's just so much stuff. There's so many boxes. So unnecessary. I really need to look into the minimalist lifestyle and get rid of like everything I own because this is too much.
Times in the Arizona thunder, the Arizona thunder tonight. Endless roads to the horizon, past the oasis, it's all behind you. Mirage of agua, the stars above you, the creature's days to nocturnal days. Makes you forget about all types of
Okay,
things.
it's still kind of a mess, actually a really big mess, but I'm starting to get everything kind of in order. Mostly just like where everything needs to go. That was the goal, so we're getting some progress, but it's still definitely a mess. It's okay, we're gonna fix it though. And then same with the bathroom, it looks a lot better. Again, it's a mess, but we're gonna fix it. And then this is kind of the pile of stuff that I want my parents to take back with them, because obviously I don't need like this giant empty tub here. Oh, I'm like out of breath. But I have, well, this box was just out to take a thumbnail picture with, but I think this one has some stuff in it. Yeah, just a few things that I need to go through. And then there's a couple things over here. I don't think I showed this, but I did put some plants over here. This one definitely needed some sunlight and I just thought it was cute. So those are gonna be there for now. It's, I don't even know what time it is. I think it's 5 something. It's 5:26. But it is starting to come together, which is really nice. I need to take my hoodie off. It's really hot in here now. But yeah, we're getting a lot of progress. We are meeting my family for dinner around 7. We're trying to go to this restaurant that doesn't have reservations, but it has like the Yelp waitlist type of thing. So I keep checking Yelp to see what the wait is. So right now it says 53 to 83 minutes, so I might wait a little bit longer. Oh, now it says 68 to 98. I'm gonna join the wait list. I actually called at the absolute perfect time. So on Yelp it said that you had to call for parties of 6 or more. So I ended up calling and she said an hour and a half, which is perfect because that's 7 and that's the time that we were trying to get. So that worked out great. Also the Celsius, amazing. This flavor is seriously so good. Peach mango green tea. I think I still like the raspberry acai just a little bit better. I think it's raspberry acai green tea, but this one still really good. I'm obsessed. Celsius, please sponsor me.
Remind me of the Arizona thunder. Satisfy the times and make you wonder about the bigger picture in your life. The simple times.
Also, these dish towels are so cute here. I can't believe they were only $3. They're so summery and I love the peaches. You guys already know I love cute little peach things. So the kitchen is really coming together. I'm kind of trying to just organize everything. Also, the flowers are beautiful. It's definitely starting to feel more homey. I need to move the chairs back to the island, but it's definitely starting to come together and the rug really just makes it. The pink rug, oh, I love it.
Arizona thunder, the Arizona thunder tonight.
Okay, so the Yelp went a little bit faster than it was supposed to, and now we're 4th in line, but it's only 6:30, so we're gonna go now. I'll give you guys a quick little OOTD. Here it is, sun's in the way, woohoo. Okay, we've moved to a different location now. We're outside now.
We're about to get kicked out. It's closed. Hey. What are you doing? Talking to me. Gives you that little bit of extra high.
Medium rare potato vibe.
You only get your potatoes medium rare.
Sport.
What's your real name again?
Okay, it is 10:16 and we just got back. It was super fun. The food is really good and it was just nice to hang out with everyone and not have to worry about moving. But like you guys saw, we had another really productive moving day. I have almost everything in like the correct space, kind of. Like almost all the boxes are unpacked. But yeah, that is pretty much it for today's vlog. I have no idea like how the footage turned out from today. Today was super hectic and like the most overwhelming moving day that I've had so far. But obviously still went really good, so hopefully the footage was good too. I am just so excited to have this apartment and be able to decorate it and everything. It's so exciting to have like my own place, because like I've never had that before, like by myself. But it's just really exciting for me and I'm just super thankful and grateful, and I'm just so excited to call this my new home. And I'm so excited to share all of that with you guys too, and the whole process, moving, decorating, organizing, all that stuff. So I'm just really excited to be able to share all of that with you guys too. I've had such a fun time moving and filming this entire thing for you guys, so I hope you guys have enjoyed it so far. But yeah, that's gonna be it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Make sure you subscribe down below so you can see more moving content, and also follow me on all my social media. Links are gonna be down below. But yeah, that's gonna be it for today. Thanks again for watching, and I will talk to you guys very soon. Bye.
Satisfy the times and make you